Now question number 5 of the 16.2 exercise probability. 3 coins are tossed where we know that if 3 coins are tossed, then sample space is equal to HHH, HHT, HTH, THH and HTT, THT, TTH and TTT. So there are 8 cases, and in first question we have to describe two events which are mutually exclusive. We know that what are mutually exclusive events. If their intersection is equal to 5, then that is these are mutually exclusive events. So we have to describe here. So I am taking A be the event when 3 heads come. We can take 3 head comes and 3 tails. These intersection is equal to 5 because no common element in these. So I am taking A event that 3 heads show, and B be the event that 3 tails show. Okay, clear? 3 tails show, and in this case 3 head shows means triple H, and B be the event when 3 tails, then what is their intersection? It is 5 because no common element here. These are 3 heads, these are 3 tails, then this intersection is 5. You can take any example for solving it. You can take 1 tail or 2 tails. Okay, you can take 1 tail, these 3 cases, or these cases. You can take any example for showing this. Now part 2, 3 events which are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So we have to take 3 events which are mutually exclusive. Suppose A, B, C are 3 events, their intersection is equal to 5, and exhaustive means their union is equal to sample space. So we have to take 3 events in which their intersection is equal to 5 and their union is equal to sample space. So you can take anything. I am taking suppose 3 heads, exactly 1 tail, or at least 2 tails. Okay, so in this first case, event that A be the event that 3 heads show, B be the event that exactly one tail, and C be the event that at least 2 tails. It's okay. So 1 tail show here, and here 2 tails, at least 2 tails. So what is A event here? 3 heads means triple H. B event means 1 tail, exactly 1 tail means these 3 cases, HHT, HTH, THH. This is exactly 1 tail case. C be the at least 2 tails. At least 2 tails means we will take these three cases, maybe 2 tails and maybe 3 tails. It's okay. Then what is their intersection? No common element in these, so their intersection is equal to 5. And what is the union of these? These unions is equal to sample space. So these are the events which are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Now third part, 2 events which are not mutually exclusive. Which are not mutually exclusive means their intersection should not equal to 5. Their intersection should not equal to 5. So I am taking, let A be the event in which HHH, and I can take B be the event at least 2 heads in which HHH will also come. So A be the event that 3 heads show, and B be the event that at least 2 heads. So what is A event here? A event in which 3 heads, so triple H, and B be the event then at least 2 heads. 2 heads means 2 भी head आ सकते हैं और तीनों भी आ सकते हैं. So HHT, HTH, THH and HHH. Then what is common in these two? A intersection B is equal to HHH. So this intersection not equal to phi. So these are not mutually exclusive. Now two events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive, means we have to take two mutually exclusive events but they are not exhaustive. We can take same first case. A be the event when three heads show, and B be the event that three tails. So their intersection is equal to phi, but their union not equal to sample space. So these are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. Now fifth part, three events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. As last case we have taken two events, in this we have to take three events. So you can take A be the event when three heads, event that three heads show. Okay, not exhaustive, so we can take exactly one tail and two tail. Okay, then B be the event that at exactly one tail show, and C be the event that exactly two tails, or you can write one head. Okay, so A event here in which three heads, so HHH. B event when exactly one tail means HHT, HTH, THH, and C be the event when two tails means HTT, THT, TTH. So what is common in these? Nothing is common. So their intersection is equal to phi. And their union is equal to sample space? No, because one element will left here, TTT. So their intersection not equal, their union not equal to sample space. So these are the events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive.